This is pretty loud for a single sub in a hatchback.
Oh yeah, still flies pretty good. It's a XV3 18 with Trinity 5K, 48 amp hour, headway bank on a stock alternator.
What size was that airport?
It's about 8 1/8, 8 1/4.
Any SPL test burps?
I have never metered it.
Okay. Daily driver?
Oh yeah.
I bet you this is pretty loud for a single sub in a hatchback though. All the way back. That goes all the way to here.
My name's Alan.
You got your wood roof. I'm sure that helped a good bit.
Oh yeah, it still flies pretty good.
I bet you this is pretty loud for a single sub in a hatchback though.
Yeah, it gets down.
Are you happy with it?
Oh yeah.
Cool.
I mean, you always want more.
Yeah. Do you know the cubic space on the box?
Should be 7.92 in theory with the displacement, support, and everything else.
Okay. That was down to 22?
Yeah.
You like the lows. Yeah, not the squeezing bass as much, it sounds like. Great single sub.
You got one good song I'm trying to find. I can never remember where it's
all good. That's okay.
I'm always looking for it.
Yeah. So the stock alternator, how's it handling the power?
Full tilt, I can handle, I hold about 13 volts.
Okay.
We can do this one. This will do. Funky song. James Franco.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.